Hello, thank you for joining us. I'm Jyoti Sharma and you're watching Agribusiness News powered by FTB Organic. And here is our summary for the week. AgroStar announced their collaboration with Parajit Industry India Private Limited, a company known for their quality and cost-effective crop protection products. Corteva Agriscience and Brazilian drone company ARPAC together developed a drone spraying system. According to Corteva Agriscience and ARPAC, their system called LandVisher Applique ARS is superior in terms of quality, uniformity and precision. It would also provide greater and better range of crops. Samunati is thrilled to announce their partnership with GrainPro, a company geared towards a hunger-free world by offering safe and efficient post-harvest solution for grains, seeds and other dry agriculture commodities. Mitsubishi Mahindra Agriculture Machinery announced the appointment of Mr. Toru Saito as a president and CEO. Bharat Rasayan Limited, an Indian-listed company, has executed a joint venture agreement with Japan-based Nissan Chemical Corporation with the total investment value amounting over 441 crore by Bharat Group. Dutch vegetable seeds breeder Biho has entered into a non-exclusive research and commercial license agreement with the global agriculture company Corteva Agriscience and the Broad Institute of MIT and Harvard, a US-based biochemical and genomic research center. The International Maize and Wheat Improvement Center Summit is pleased to announce the release of a set of 12 new Summit maize lines. These lines were developed at various breeding locations of Summit's global maize program by a multidisciplinary team of scientists in sub-Saharan Africa and Asia. John Deere announced today commitments of over 20 crore to provide urgent medical resources and ongoing state support to assist India in its fight against COVID-19. Tractors and Farm Equipment Limited TEFE has donated Rs 1 crore to the Tamil Nadu government for procurement of oxygen cylinder as part of efforts to aid COVID-19 relief measures in the state. Tata Capital has won a bronze at the 10th ACEF Global Customer Engagement Forum and Awards. Clients and agencies based in 6 countries received over 250 entries which competed for the awards. Maruti Suzuki India Limited, in partnership with Zydus Hospital, has opened a multi-speciality hospital at Sitapur, Ahmedabad, Gujarat. IIHR has launched the Arka Vyapar Android-based app. Its development and deployment was conceived and designed as a direct marketing platform to bring the buyers and sell across the India on a single virtual platform. The Murugappa Group has contributed Rs 6 crore to the Chief Minister Public Relief Fund for Corona Relief Work. The group's managing director Arun Murugappan met Chief Minister Mr. Stalin at the Secretariat to hand over the check. Syngenta India has stepped in to provide support to help farmers cope with healthcare challenges. The company is rolling out a series of CSR initiatives across the country towards strengthening healthcare infrastructure. Make Money Organics Limited has been accorded the status of 4-star export house by the Ministry of Commerce and Industries Government of India, recognizing the business house as status holder by the central government authorities in an achievement and proud moment for the organization. Anup Rasayan has received and signed contracts amounting to Rs 540 crore from 2 renowned multinational companies dealing in the fields of life sciences chemicals. For more agri updates, keep watching Krishi Jagran. Thank you.